Well, there's a massive Uber and Lyft strike taking place this week. I'm gonna go over the details. Please thumbs up the video, my friends. Firstly, I wanted to share with you all our sponsor of today's video, Current. Current is a new debit card and new bank account that pays Uber and Lyft drivers. So I'm gonna have a link below. It's free to sign up, and they're actually paying you 4% APY on your savings and getting you paid up to 2 days faster when you sign up for direct deposit, and no overdraft fees when you go negative up to 200 bucks. Check out the link below. They're great, they're awesome company. Thank you to Current for sponsoring the video, and now let's get started. So, Uber and Lyft drivers are protesting in Massachusetts as gas prices continue to increase. Rideshare drivers in Massachusetts are expected to protest Tuesday over possible elimination of fuel surcharges while gas prices are still rising. There is a like they said, possible elimination of fuel surcharge. That fuel surcharge, you know, the 30 cents, 50 cents, whatever, it ain't gonna be here forever. If anything, Eric Valsallo says, a Massachusetts rideshare driver, they should be increasing those surcharges. Uber began adding a fuel surcharge on March 16th after the, quote, recent spike in gas prices has affected rideshare and delivery drivers. The charges range from 45 cents to 55 cents on each Uber trip and 35 cents to 45 cents on each Uber Eats order. But Uber Eats, that's gone. They ain't doing that anymore. They only keep it for rideshare, and that might not even last forever. The temporary change was set for 60 days and was set to end in June, but gas prices have continued to increase. According to AAA, the national average is $5, which is an all-time high. And when they put the fuel surcharge in place, the national average was $4. So it's skyrocketed since that, up 20%. And Uber and Lyft haven't raised the fuel surcharge, and they're threatening to end it. Massachusetts is Not for Sale is a workers' advocacy group, is leading the protest and stated that Uber and Lyft are, quote, leaving drivers to bear the brunt of escalating prices of $5 per gallon or more alone. Yeah, here in California, it's over $6. I went to fill up my gas tank the other day. I found this place that was charging $6.20. And my friend was like, wow, gas prices are cheap here. And I literally did a face palm because she lives in LA, and I was like, you know, you're paying at least $7 a gallon up there. And I was like, it's crazy that you're actually saying that $6.20 a gallon is cheap. But it's the reality. Lyft announced in March it was implementing the fuel surcharge, quote, until further notice, and The Verge reported that it would last for at least 60 days. The company has not stated if it plans to continue the surcharge past June. We'll see. Wes McKenney, who's the director of Massachusetts Not for Sale, called it a, quote, disgrace if Uber ended the surcharge, especially as gas prices are at record highs across the country. Drivers are already left to fend for themselves to cover repair, taxes, health insurance, and other costs. They have no job protection, such as sick pay and overtime pay, family leave, workers' compensation, and more. Yeah, if you get pregnant as a driver, you got to take, you know, multiple weeks off. There ain't no coverage for that. It's really sad. I mean, and it's like maternity leave or paternity leave. A lot of, you know, males are the breadrunners of the household, and if their wife gets pregnant, or, you know, is having a baby, the dad should be able to take time off and have paid time off. Uber should cover that. These are little things that Uber just totally could be doing, but refuses to. So that's why drivers are protesting, in my opinion, mostly the gas prices and just the fact that Uber and Lyft are not taking care of their drivers. So let me know your thoughts. Will you be joining the strike? And shout out to Current, again, our sponsor of today's video. This is Current. I have it right here on my phone. And again, once you sign up, you can deposit money into here and start earning cash. So as you can see, I put in $100 and I'm now up to $100.33. Keeps adding up and up and up. So check out Current down below, earn 4% APY, get paid up to 2 days faster. Thanks for watching. Bye now.